Yes, of course, for me, that may pressure din. I mean, may pressure in a way that, because this is an adaptation eh. I mean, ilang beses na nilabas, marami ng variations yung buong material. So parang, how can we make it something new and then something na panonoorin? Kasi alam na naman ng tao what's the story of Bad Genius. From the movie to the series, everybody knows what will happen, diba? So ano yung, paano natin ito babaguhin? I mean, I'm pretty sure yung pressure hindi lang sa akin. I mean, the full staff, the whole, kumbaga lahat, from the production design, the costume design. I mean, we even study all the color palettes na dapat namin gamitin, all the colors and all the materials para masabi namin, okay, iba to, iba yung lalabas dito. Even the lighting, the DOP, and then kumbaga the whole kind, the line producers, I mean the creatives, nandun din yung pressure to meet na what are the expectations. Kasi malaki siyang material eh. I mean, lahat ng tao na manonood nito, it's either napanood yung movie or the series, or may certain expectations that you have to meet. So parang, paano natin tatapatan yun? What can we do? What can we offer you? Anong bago dito? Ano yung nabigay ng ibang series na hindi nila naibigay? Then maybe we could concentrate on that. So lahat ng factors na yan we consider. So kung sa pressure, I mean, it's a good thing na may pressure sa amin. I mean, for me, ako personally na may pressure sa akin kasi kung hindi ka nagka-pressure doon sa isang material, baka nagiging lax ka na doon sa pagtrabaho, diba? So yun.
Direk, may binago din kayo sa kwento. Were you given the right to somehow change?
Yes, marami kaming, di man siguro binago. We keep the core. Kumbaga yung core na doon. Pero in terms of how we're going to discuss the story, marami kaming binago. We keep, of course, nandun kumbaga yung school life nila, nandun kung paano nag-intensify. Pero in terms of intensity, we make sure na dito, napagod sila. No. I mean, talaga makikita mo dun sa mga material na papalapit ang finale ng series. This is no longer a school cheating. Gaganin yung buong series. At some point, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin basta may mangyayari doon sa buong serye na magiging siya yung fulcrum na lahat ng iik na. Hindi na kami estudyante. Gagampanan nila yung life and ito yung roles out the school and how the cheating become sobrang laki at kung paano ma-affectan yung personal life nila.
Thank you. Actually, base sa trailer, congratulations na sa inyo.
Alright, there we have it. Maraming salamat po. But can I just say, Jairus Aquino for